Hey everyone, this is Roota Mittal. Welcome back to my channel. As usual, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like what I'm talking about. And you guys, a lot of you guys are actually watching the videos and not subscribing. So make sure you do that before going ahead. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 skills that are going to be high paying, that we value a lot as a company, that our clients value a lot as a company, and that's what you should focus on if you want to be a successful, high-end, profitable freelancer, consultant, coach, creator in 2022. Who's excited for it? Number one is copywriting. Copywriting is when you write words to sell something, to market something. It could be ad copy, it could be sales page, sales funnel, video ads, actual short form video copy, organic video copy, anything which is words which you get to use to sell something. So copywriting is so powerful because once you really learn the skill of copywriting, it is used every single way in every business, in every company. You will always need the skill of copywriting, whether you are growing your own business, whether you're growing your client's business, whether in the future you want to create a brand from scratch for yourself, or even in jobs. So copywriting is such a high-end skill. I know copywriters who charge anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 for one sales page copy. I also know copywriters who will charge $5,000, $10,000 a day for like a day of copywriting work, for a VIP copywriting day. So it's definitely a super lucrative skill that you want to pay attention to and learn in 2022 so that you can be a high-end profitable freelancer, coach, consultant, content creator. Number two is creating videos. Video marketing is crazy. It is because anytime you're watching someone's videos, you immediately improve your know, like, and trust factor with them. And it is amazing what watching someone's videos can do for you. Like you feel like you know them, you like them, you feel like you're part of their story and their life. And video marketing is epic, especially short form content. So video marketing definitely is leveraged in ads as well as organically. So long form, short form, anytime you can help someone create super irresistible and engaging videos and video ads, it is a high-end skill, and it is something that clients will reward you for. The best way to get started is definitely by observing, by being self-aware. Hey, what kind of videos are performing well? There are definitely some tools and spy tools where you can check out people's video ads as well as their videos, and then you can learn from them, do some competitive research, and see how you can help your client up-level their video strategies in 2022. Number three, building funnels. Building a profitable value ladder is still a high-end skill. The only issue is there are a lot of funnel hackers or funnel builders who are flooding the market and hanging out in one specific Facebook group and just doing all their client attraction in there. Here's the thing, you want to ensure that the funnels that you build are actually providing value, are actually converting, and not just building a funnel but really troubleshooting a funnel and making it work and making it convert is also a skill that should be included in building a funnel, because just building a pretty funnel is not enough. Because a funnel, if it's pretty and it doesn't convert, if it doesn't improve the client's bottom line, then what's the point, right? So building and troubleshooting funnels is absolutely important. Number four is advertising on Facebook, Instagram, Google. These are the most powerful platforms on planet Earth, and you definitely don't want to ignore them. Even though Facebook ads had a lot of changes in the last year, its retargeting and warm targeting is still one of the best in the world. And as long as your funnel is converting and you're able to make a profit, you definitely want to keep running ads on Facebook, because yes, you might have to do a few tweaks as per iOS 14, but Facebook ads are still profitable and still working, and you don't want to ignore them. YouTube ads is also super powerful, and again, video marketing plays a huge role. On YouTube, there's a different kind of audience which hangs out, where people are watching videos, and whenever you target and create ads based on certain keywords that people are either searching for or watching the videos for, then you're able to hit those people who are such a right fit for your audience. So YouTube ads are super powerful. powerful. So you definitely want to make sure that you pay attention to these skills in 2022 and master them and use them for growing your business or your client's business. Number five, and the last skill I want to talk about today, is the art of troubleshooting. I see so many marketers who will learn these skills and then will shut off their creativity or shut off their brain and just blindly implement what they once learned. But here's the thing, having the creativity, having the urge to do competitive research, always keeping your eyes open to industry changes and platform changes, and mainly troubleshooting why something is not working and actually looking at data instead of being emotional is super important, because we don't again want to create marketing campaigns which end up not working at the end. And I'm not saying that every marketing campaign or every launch or every promotion that you come up with is always going to be successful. No one has that for themselves, no one at all. So you're not special, you don't need to cry about it at all, but you definitely do need to have the skill of troubleshooting, so that hey, if something didn't go according to plan or something did not hit your launch estimates, then you definitely want to know the skill of troubleshooting, of looking at the data and figuring out what the bottleneck is, what the problem is, and then fixing it, and again running an experiment to see, hey, what works, what doesn't work, again getting back data and then going from there. So the art of troubleshooting is one of the most important skills that you should focus on, you should learn on. And yeah, those were the 5 skills that I think you should focus on in 2022. Now, of course, if you are like, okay, why should I listen to her? I have scaled a $1 million business from scratch. I went from being a 6-figure freelancer to being a 7-figure online education business owner, and that's why you should listen to me. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Comment below, what skills do you already know? What skills are you gonna pay attention in 2022, and what else content do you wanna learn from me in 2022? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.